back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. और जो लोग आज नए हो मेरे चैनल पे, then please do subscribe to my channel. I make videos related to makeup, skincare and fashion. So today's video is going to be a कुर्ती haul. बहुत दिनों बाद मैं कुछ haul post करूँगी. मैंने Amazon से बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में कुर्ता सेट्स लिए हैं जो कि मैं आज आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी. आज आप लोगों को मैं पहन के भी दिखाऊंगी एंड उसके साथ कैसे ज्वेलरीज, कैसे इयररिंग्स अच्छे लगेंगे वो भी मैं दिखाऊंगी. सो विदाउट फर्दर डिले लेट्स जस्ट स्ट्रेट मूव इनटू द वीडियो.
So first one is a peach cotton kurta set which will look really good on festive seasons. It has a beautiful dupatta and a peach color kurti and a pant which is similar to the dupatta. You will get this whole set at 1150 only. I will add the link below in the description box. Don't forget to check out that. So this one is a blue rayon printed Anarkali kurti which will look great with oxidized jewelries and will help you to create a boho look. The fabric of the kurti is very soft and skin friendly. And this kurti retails for around 800 or 800 to 900. Next one is a beautiful orange rayon floral printed Anarkali kurti. The floral printed part of the kurti looks like a shrug, but actually it is attached with a kurti. This will look very pretty on day functions if you do if you create a very subtle look and nude lipstick with the kurti and super sweet light-weighted jewelries. It will look great. I know you guys don't believe me, but it is true that it retails for only $7.99. Yeah, you heard it right. I am adding the link below in the description box, so don't miss this chance. Just check out the link and buy now. So next one is a yellow rayon jacket kurti with Dori style. Actually it is a kurta with the jacket set. Actually its latest design and the trendy work and the design speak a language of elegance. And this kurta set is retails for $5.89 only. So this one is a maroon color kurta set and it is perfect for any wedding season. I mean, look at its color combination. The kurta is in maroon color and the its pant and its dupatta it's in the off-white shade. And this one is retails for $7.96 only. I mean, just believe me, it's not even 800. I mean, this is a steal deal. Don't forget to check out the link I have given below in the description box. So this one is the last one and it's my absolutely favorite. I mean, just look at its color. The color is so much pretty. It's a cotton printed straight kurti with palazzos and dupatta set. And trust me, this one is so much comfortable to wear. I mean, this is so much lightweight. And this kurta set is retails for $8.79 only.
that's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Then do like this video and comment your views. Also don't forget to comment what you guys want me to add in my storefront. I will create idea list for those products because I have my own Amazon store. Also don't forget to share this video with your friends and relatives and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye, take care.